Welcome back to another day, makers. We got some new opportunities that I think you're going to enjoy today, and this one is called Tell Me What You Think. It's a survey website where you can take surveys, where you can create your own surveys. You can make as much money as you can on here. You can be heard, be social, and earn rewards. You can take surveys, you can earn rewards, and you will get paid via PayPal. And this is called Tell Me What You Think. So go ahead and click on Join Now for free, and it's going to ask you to sign up with your, email address, your username, password, all of that good stuff that we really, 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 really enjoy to go ahead and sign up for it. This is a legitimate website where you can make um, as much money as you can. Over 38 million surveys has been completed. There's over 2 million members on this website. So, they've been a while. They've been around a while. You can take surveys and earn rewards. You can get paid taking online surveys. You can create your own surveys to earn cash. Once they approve the surveys that you create, they will give you a percentage of what they think is worth. So you want to make sure you're creating good surveys. I really highly do recommend them. This is an easy way to create the survey. So it's really do enjoy this because it's different from other websites what other survey sites don't let you create the surveys. You create the surveys. You can get paid for creating surveys, and you can get paid for taking surveys. So you get the best of both worlds. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys today. You take care, money makers. Bye.